Project SEED is a project created by the American Chemical Society, which is our professional society for chemists. And it's a project where they go into communities and provide research experiences for high school students. If you enroll in Project SEED, you go to a site, and so VCU is one of those sites. And so we have students come into the chemistry department over the summer, but they come into the site and they actually get to do a research project with one of the professors here on campus. And so normally it lasts around 8 weeks. It's a paid position, and they not only get research, but we also try to provide some professional development. So have them talk about how to apply to college, look at the FAFSA, have students come and talk to them about careers as far as being a STEM major. And so we really try to provide an environment that encourages them to come to college, and we don't require you, of course, to come into chemistry, but it would be nice if you were to become a chemistry major. And it really is trying to give opportunities to students who would not otherwise be able to take these opportunities because they're probably gonna be working right over the summer. The donations for Giving Day, some will go directly if you want to fund a student. I mean, we can give it directly to a student to fund for the summer. Also for some of our programming needs. Project SEED is just a very great program, and it provides a lot of great experiences for students who wouldn't probably otherwise have that opportunity. And so any donation would be greatly appreciated.